Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you'll be able to get free TON on your TONKEEPER wallet. That is how you'll be able to claim minimum of 2 free TON to your TONKEEPER wallet. You can use this free TON to pay for all your TON transactions, including Telegram airdrop gas fee. This is a new update and not everyone is aware of it. But before we continue, the first thing I want you to do right now for me is to help me to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Many of you have been watching my video without subscribing. Please help me to like this video so that I'll be glad to share more updates like this with you again, please. To get started, all you just need to do is to log into your TONKEEPER wallet. After logging into your TONKEEPER wallet, scroll up right here and click on this particular settings section right here. Once you click on this particular settings section right here, once you scroll down right here, tap this particular TONKEEPER section right here. Once you tap on it, it will open. Once it's open, this blur section right here, or if you are not seeing blur, some application will be showing developer mode, which is DEV mode. Okay, turn it on. You can see it right there, and it sometimes your own may be on. Once you enter here, just make sure that you leave it on. You can see it right there that my own is on right now. After turning it on, you go back right now. Once you go back right now, then before you get started, the first thing you need to do is to click on this TONKEEPER section right here. Once you click on this TONKEEPER section right here, click on add wallet. Once you click on add wallet, click on create a new wallet. You are going to create, the reason why you are creating a new wallet is to enable you so that you'll be able to get there, so that you'll be able to get your secret phrase from this particular platform. Once you come back right now, the next you need to do is to click on this TONKEEPER right here. Once you click on it, scroll down right now and click on this add wallet. Once you click on add wallet, scroll down right here and search for testnet account. Click on testnet account. Once you click on it, all you just need to do is to enter your 24 words recovery phrase. After entering your recovery phrase, you click on continue. After entering your recovery phrase, this particular page will show. All you just need to do is to name your wallet. Let's name it TON. Let's just name it TON. Okay, let's just name it TON2. TON2, you can see it, TON2. I name it as TON2, and I click on this continue. Once you click on this continue, I will enter. After entering my password, you can see the TON wallet has been generated. You can see it. I have a 0 TON right here. The next thing you need to do right now is to copy your TON wallet address. Just click on this receive and copy your TON wallet address. Immediately after copying your TON wallet address, you just need to go to Telegram right now. Go to your Telegram account. Once you go to Telegram, go to search button and search for test giver TON bot. You can see, you search for this particular one with over 90k subscribers. You can see it, 90k users, I mean. Once you search for it, click on start. Click on start now. You can see, once you click on start, you can see welcome to test giver TON bot. You can see get 2 TON. The first TON that they are going to offer you is 2 TON. You can see it. Click on it. Click on this get 2 TON. You can see. Click immediately after solving this captcha here. Right after entering these numbers that is right here, all you just need to, you can see that I have entered the number. All you just need to do is to enter your wallet address. You can see enter your wallet address. You can see all I just need to do is to enter my wallet address, which I have already copied from my TONKEEPER wallet. You can see, you click on submit. You can see after entering your wallet address, you can see I have entered my wallet address and request added to the coin for execution. You can see it right here. After that, all you just need to do is to come here and start reloading your wallet. Just reload your wallet 1 or 2 times. You will see that you will receive it immediately. Just guys, I just received 2 free TON to my TONKEEPER wallet right now. You can see it, and I can use it to perform any transaction or send it to any other wallet address right now by clicking on this send button. Once I click on this send button, all I just need to do is to put the wallet address which I want to send it to right here. Once I put the wallet address, I will put 1.5 TON. Okay, let me decide to transfer 1.5 TON. I will click on this continue. Once I click on continue, you can see it. I will click on confirm. You can see I just need to enter my PIN. After entering my PIN, watch closely guys. You can see I have been able to transfer to transfer it. Or you can see that I have been able to transfer 1.5 ton from this particular account, and they remove 0.1 ton for the transaction fee which I perform from this particular account. You can do this multiple times to generate up to 10 ton from this particular Telegram wallet, and use it to perform any ton transaction or pay for any Telegram airdrop gas fee. And kindly tell me your opinion in the comment section of this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in my next video.